Welcome you all. Today I am welcome you in this session where we learn the operators and decision making. See, operators and decision making an important part of Python because what is the need of operators? We have to create any solution, we have to create any answer. So operand and operators are used to give the solutions. And then we have a decision making. What we do with the decision making? We will test a condition whether a particular condition is true or not. That is useful for decision making. We do cover these two topics today, and based on this we have some programs over here. Then we try to solve the program. All right, now let's start. I'm Abhishek Srivastava and I am your mentor, so instructor on data science. So agenda of today's session: operators and decision making. All right, at the end we have question answer session. Then I'm going to start my Jupyter notebook so that we can have different kind of programs today with the concept. All right, now. Okay, so first of all, operator, what is this and how many kind of operator is there? Okay, we do one by one. Keep your eyes please attentive here. Okay, so we do learn first of all about the operators, what kind of operator is, and then we check one by one what the subtopics inside that means, what the sub kind of operators. So first of all, what is operator? Okay, the operator that can define as a symbol which is responsible for a particular operation means these are the symbols. These symbols are used to require or solve the problem when we have a particular logic. Okay, let's suppose, what are these symbols? Let's suppose we have two operand. Operand mean any number, just like 2 and 4. These are operand. And then we have this symbol so that we can solve this one. So this symbol known as the operator, which is working on operating on a two number, two or more number. Okay. So again, I am repeating my definition. The operators can be defined as a symbol which is responsible for particular operation between two operand. Operand mean any variable, any number, anything which is on left and right side of operator. All right. Operators are the pillars of program on which the logic is built in a particular programming language. So this is a pillar because without any operator you can't solve any expressions. All right. So Python provide a variety of operator described as below. Okay. So we have first of all arithmetic operator, then comparison operator, assignment operator, logical, bitwise, membership, and identity. These kind of operator we say which is majorly part of the Python programming. Okay, we do cover one by one. Okay, let's start. First of all, arithmetic operator. What is this and how to handle this? Python provide the variety of arithmetic operator. All right, most of you are familiar with this, but who's the person who are new this course? So I am telling the thing: plus, minus, multiplication, division, and remainder. These are little bit old thing, but what Python introduced as a new? Python introduced as a new first one is floor division. See, we don't have any kind of data type over here. So how to get the integer value for any division? Okay, so for this we have floor division. Then we have a power operator. All right, means double asterisk return you the power. Okay, so let's demonstrate one by one what is addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, which is used for reminder. Okay, please stay here, we have good session today. So let me add the some cell. Okay, anyone joining in the class? No, perfectly. Okay, so let's see, I'm taking a variable one where 1 equal to 5, where 2 equal to 6. So these are the two variable, where 1 and where 2. Okay, for polling, I am just put this thing in new window. Okay, yep, all right. Okay, so this is a way I can observe the participant as well as my window also. All right, now, so let's start the arithmetic operator. First operator is addition. Very simple. Where 1 plus where 2, 2. You can run. It's not saying where 1 is not defined, so we have to run this cell. Okay, so you can see that we have addition of this one. Okay, so this is where you can see the plus operator. Then we quickly do where 1 minus where 2 minus 1, because 6 is greater than 5, so minus 1 is there. Similarly, where 1 into where 2 30. Then we have division of this one, simple. And then at last and very important, the double slash, this operator known as the modulus operator. What this model operator do? This operator return the modulus, means reminder, means double slash operator. I just put the comment, double slash operator return me the reminder. Okay, so let's see how reminder. So let's suppose I am asking you that to what 10 modulus 3. I mean, those know the Python can poll me, answer in chat box. Is it 1? Yeah. So how we get this thing? Those who knew how we get this thing. Okay, I'm giving you some dividing rule. Okay, here it 3, 10 is divided by 3. So what happened? We have 3 divided by 10. All right. We are going to divide the 10 by 3. So we have 3 in question. The 3 3s are 9 and 1 is remaining. So this figure is subjected to the reminder operator. All right. This one is goes to here. All right. And what about this one? This was just a division. So what remaining amount after dividing is reminder, that is done by the modulus operator. Then what remaining, what we do after dividing, which is over here. So keep in mind modulus used for the reminder. Okay. Then we have floor division. This one, double slash. So what about the floor division? I just take cell over here. Means if we do where 1 divided by where 2, see what happened. It will give you 0 point. So my integer part is 0 and my fraction part is this one. Someone is joining the meeting? No. All right. Okay. So what happened? Okay. So what the floor division do? If we want to take any integer part, check this one. Then we put this one over here. So it will only return you the float. Remaining the float, it will return you the integer part. All right. So this is helpful when you have some digit based operation. Or like that, we have to remove the digits from a number and we have to reduce the number like that. In that operation, the combination of floor division as well as the modulus operator works very fine. All right. Now what I'm trying to do, I'm demonstrating the power operator. This power operator. Okay. What it does do, we have base, let's suppose 2 raised to the power 3. How much is there? 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8. So this will give you 8. Not simple one, you can calculate even higher power. 2 raised to the power 100. How much? I don't know. This one is there. Okay. So you can see how much big number is there even if the Python is calculating this one. All right. Now let's check this one. Okay. So we have a good program. Write a program to add the digits of a given number with the help of operator, even arithmetic operator. All right, what we do over here, we're just going to take any number, and then let's suppose if I am taking a number 321, so I want to add these number without any loop and with the help of this program. So let's understand the logic. The newcomers will have to attention over here. What we are going to do, we first of all extract this digit. Then once we extract this digit, we have to store this digit inside a variable known as a sum. Okay, so first digit extracted over here and add this one first. Then the second digit extracted over here, then add over here. Then similarly, the third digit is extracted over here and add over here. So by this way, we get the addition of this one. 1 plus 2, 3, 3, 3 plus 6. So we have to make program with the help of this one. So what I am doing here, num equal to int input. Why we use the int input inside the int function? Because we have to convert every input into integer one so that we can use it numerically. Okay, enter any number. Okay, then what I'm going to do, we have to extract the first number which is from last. Okay, so I'm extracting the first digit. I'm extracting the unit place digit. Let's suppose I just asking the user enter a number, 3-digit number, because here I am not using the loop, so we have to put the variables for that. So if the user enter the 4-digit number, so my logic going to be west. Okay, so I am especially want that you have to enter the 3-digit number. So the first thing, how I extract the unit place number. Okay, so any number, let's suppose any 3-digit number 731, if I am taking the modulus of 10, okay, means I am dividing 731 from 10, 31 from 10, so it will be give me reminder of 1. Okay, once we divide 731 from 10, it goes to 73 times and return you the one reminder. Okay, so let's see if it is doing or not. Num modulus 10. Let's check what we have in A, either it is a last digit or not. Let's suppose I take 731. Yeah, perfect, it is returning me 1, means we extracted the last digit. All right, now what we do, similarly we have to extract the decimal place, means the middle digit. Okay, I'm cross checking you, decimal place digit, and then at last I'm going to extracting the 100 place digit. What is unit place, decimal place? Let's suppose I have 3-digit number 731. So this is my unit place, this is my decimal place, and this is my 100 place. So now I want to extract the decimal place in B, 100 place in C, and then we have sum equal to A plus B plus C. Then print the sum of the digit digits is what I'm giving over here is that is sum. All right. Now I'm asking you guys that to extract a decimal place value in B, what I should write over here. To take decimal value in B, what I should write over here. Yes, you can please reply. Not B per se. I need here. Let's suppose my input is 731. Let's suppose my input is 731. So I want to take 3 over here inside B. Here I take 1. Here I want to take the 3. So what I write over here? Nitra, no Nitra. Only 3. Only 3. I need 3 in B. Not Nihar. You can check your answer. If you take modulus 100, what is A modulus 100? 1 modulus 100, what does it mean? Kulsum says, oh, everyone getting very big. Sovic Banerjee num modulus 100 minus A into 10. Sovic, little bit the nearby the reality, but it is little bit complicated. Uh, You are telling very complicated number. Okay, I'm giving you a very generalized thing. What I do here, see, we have to perform the nesting operation. See, Nihar again say A modulus 10. Why? Number inside num or input. So I'm taking num, then take modulus 100, then floor division by 10. Check this one. Very simple. Yeah. If we take num modulus 100, let's suppose I'm just checking you 731. 731 modulus not 100, it's a 10, not it's a 100. 100. So just I get 31, and based on this result I am floor division by 10, so we get 3. So any 3-digit number based on this operation you get the best one in between digit. So first take the remainder from 100. So you take the remainder from 100, you get the last 2 digit. From remainder from 10, you get the last digit. From 100 you get the last 2 digit. So here I am taking the remainder from 100, it will return you last 2 digit. Then I take the floor division from 10, so it will give me the 3. Perfect thing. Okay, now simple. For the C case I take num floor division by 100. Simple. Okay, now I'm running this program. So main thing is logic creation. It is not necessary for one time you can create logic. You have to attempt many times and until you don't get the exactly answer. Okay, so what I'm trying to do, I'm running this program again. 731. Okay, so perfect thing is there. 7 plus 3 10 plus 1 11. So this is valid for any 3-digit number, not this one. I'm running. Let's suppose I take 111 3. I'm again running 6 7 8. But what about if I'm running for 4 digit? It is completely gerber, wrong. Why it's wrong? Anyone tell me why it's wrong? Why it is giving the 58 for 4-digit number? Yes, please. Yes, audience. So why it is giving the wrong number? Because we have 3 variable, that's good, and the last variable C stored the left 2 digits, means the C will store the 45. So 45 plus 6 plus 7, that you got the 58. That's it. Okay, that's why loop is very important, because we cannot maintain how much digit is there then how much number is there. So that's why in the loop section I will teach you the loop. Okay, now moving further. Now comparison operator, check this one. Okay, what comparison operator do? The first one, it do compare. Okay, if one quantity is greater and one quantity is little, so it will do evaluate that thing. All right, now check this one. First one is comparison operator, means both sides are equal or not, and keep mind that this operator return you either false or true, false or true, it based on what result you supplied. Now check this one. Equal to means both sides are equal. Okay, let's check. If we have 5 equal to 6, false, because it is not, both side is not equal. Okay, but if we have 5 equal to 5, so it will give me the true one. All right, then we have not equal to, means if the two things is not equal, so it will give you true. If two things is not equal, it is opposite to equal. Okay, 5 not equal to 6. Okay, this is true, this is not equal to 6, so it will give you true, because it's a opposite of the equal to operator. But if both things are equal, it will give you the false. All right, same way we have less than, greater than, less than equal to, greater than equal to. Let's check one by one what it's saying, because keep in mind the comparison operator return you the thing in the form of what we say, true and false. All right, now check this one. Less than operator. Okay, so if I am returning 5 is less than 6, so it's a true, 5 is less than 6. But if we say 10 is less than 6, so it will be false. So keep in mind, when we do the looping, when we do the decision making with the help of if else if kind of thing, then we have a true false response. And based on these true false response, we have to evaluate our expression and our answer. All right. Now, similarly, the greater than, 10 is greater than 6, true, perfect. Is 15 is greater than, what do we say, 3 is greater than 6, so false. So keep in mind guys that this kind of thing return you true and false case. All right, okay. Now we remaining equal to, yeah, less than or equal to. If I'm check, 3 is less than equal to 5, then true, because one condition is satisfied, that is less than. What about 5 is less than equal to what? That is true, because it 5 is not less than, but it is equal to, because it's a combination of this one. Okay, either it is less than or it is equal to. So if any condition is true, it will return true. Okay, similarly the condition on the greater than operator, it is greater than or less than. So keep in mind, explanation given over here, keep in mind it is returning in true and false thing. All right, now logical operator, very important. What logical operator says? The logical operator used primarily for expression evaluation to make a decision. Python supports the following logical operator. First one, the AND. What AND do? I just put the colon so that we can separate the keywords. We have three kind of operators, logical operator. The first one is AND. What AND says? AND says if both side of AND is true, if both expression are true, then the condition will be true. All right. How? Let's suppose where, or we can say a equal to 7 and b equal to 10. Okay, check this one. What I'm trying to do, I'm demonstrating you AND operator. Okay, I'm checking A is greater than 5. Okay, the first condition, because we have to put the both expression, and then B is less than 15. Check here, we have two condition. Okay, we have two condition, A is 10 and A is 7, B is 10. So what happened, that my condition is checking that A is greater than 5. Yes, 7 is greater than 5. That is checking B is less than 15. Yes, B is less than 15 because B has the value of 10. Now, based on these one, if both have true, this true and this true. So if A and B are two expression, A belong to true and B belong to true, then B belong to true. Okay, so this gives me that true value. All right. Now, based on the same values, what I'm trying to say, I just convert one, I just change one thing. So again, students, what is the expected output? True and false. Yes, please. The value is given over here. Yeah, student are intelligent. More, no one says true. Perfect. Most of people says false because this condition is going to be false. Okay, let's check. If you want to check individually, you can put over here and check this one. So ending of true, ending of true and false return you the false. All right. Now do one thing. I'm taking one more thing. I take one more operation. Okay, let's check it is working or not. It is working. Mallikarjun ji, here I have three condition. Now the mm, thing is going beyond. Okay, so we cannot say it is operating on a particular between the condition. If true, true, true is coming, then true return you true. Okay, so keep in mind, and will return true if left and right both condition are true. All right. Now, okay, first it will evaluate this one, then what answer you get, that it evaluating this one. Okay, now what it says, next one, just like and we have or. What or says, if one of the expression is true, then condition be true. Only one condition. If A and B are the two expression, then A equal to true, B equal to false, then it will give true. Okay, A or B given true means any of condition is false. So let's suppose in this we have false condition. Here we have false condition. So I just put the or. Okay, so any of condition is true. This condition is my true. If you want to check, put over here and check this one. Okay, perfect. This condition my true. So any of condition true, my or condition will give me true. Someone joining? Joined. Okay. Now what happened? Next, if we put both condition true, then no problem. It is, see, true false true, oring table. Just I am giving table of or, true or true. Give you the true. Second one, true or false. False. Give you true. Third one, false. First condition is false, and second one is true. Gives you again true. Okay. Any of true, any one of true combination give you true in or condition. But last, false or false, return you the false condition. So let's see, this I am running, these are both true. Okay, because let me check the condition, check the value of a. My a's value is 7, b's value is 10. So a value is 7, that's perfect true. Let me print a and b, because I have to generate the false condition, this one. Okay, so if I am putting, okay, so I'm just converting this sign. A is less than 5, condition false. B is less than 15, so I'm just converting both false. Let's check. This is false. If this is returning a false or not, you just copy this one and paste in next cell. This is give me this is false and this is false. All right. So this false, this false. So oring. See, I put ending. Have to put the or. No, not perfect. Okay. So this one return you this one. All right. Keep in mind. Okay. And what about this one? True. And I'm putting hash over here or operator. Okay, I hope this is quite you clear. When we're doing the evaluation any condition using if statement, so this uh, logical operator playing lots of role, logical operator and relational operator. So here I give you the combination of logical operator and relational operator. All right. Now the third operator is not operator. If the expression is true, then not of a will be false. Means what you get true either false, it will convert the result. Means false will convert to the true and true can be converted to be false. So now check the not operator. What I am doing here, I take not of true. Check this one, false. Directly apply on the result. So any result return you true and you doing it's not, you get the false. Alright. Now check this one. Not of false. True. One more thing I have not on zero. Let's see it's working on zero or not. Yeah, it's working on zero. See zero is false. Zero is boolean false. Okay. So opposite of false, not return you true. Similarly, if I have one, boolean true, boolean true, so boolean true return you the false. Okay, I have these things clear to you. Any query you can ask me in chat box regarding these operators. Okay, then we can proceed on the membership operator. If you have any query regarding this one, otherwise we can proceed to membership operator. I hope this is simple and you guys can are intelligent and you can do this thing rock. Okay, now one more thing, if we have any expression just like this expression, what this expression returning to me, false. And if I do close this expression in not, so what happened, not will convert this result, to keep in mind. Okay, any negation, I mean not is known as negation, so any negation leads you the negative result. Okay, now membership operator, two kind of membership operator is there. Okay, let me take the water break, just 1 minute. All right, just giving you mute. Okay, now start the membership operator. Okay, so two type of operator remaining: membership and identity. So what is membership operator? Am I audible? Confirm me. It's a not long break. Okay, so just quick break. Okay, so what is membership operator? What we do with this? Okay, the membership means if you have any collections in the sense the Python contain the good collection variable, list, tuples and dictionary. All right, but list is very versatile because it's a very good functionality and we can store any kind of data in list. Okay, so basically in data science what you are doing here, in data science we have to store lot of data. Okay, so list give you the headache free collection. Headache free means you need not to mention or need not to maintain its size. Okay, it automatically grown and shrinks as per your requirement. So what membership operator says, Python membership operator are used to check the membership of value inside Python data structure. Data structure means list tuple dictionaries and the set operation. Okay, so we in the chapter of data structure we will cover this kind of thing: list, tuple, dictionary and set. Okay, set means the set theory union intersection kind of this thing. If the value is present in a data structure, then the resulting value is true. Otherwise, the return false. Means if you are searching anything inside a collection variable, just like you have a list of 10 numbers and you are searching any element. So without putting any for loop, you can put in operator and not in operator. You have in and not in. Okay. So what about this? Let's check. I am creating a list equal to any list can be created. I will teach you the list in very details with its library function. But here I am just demonstrating you. If you want to create any list, take any variable, valid identifier, then equal to, then a square bracket. Any square, anything inside a square bracket known as a list. Okay. So I am taking any combination. All right. This is my list. How we check again? I say you type function is good for the checking thing. Type the list one. Check this one. This is list type. List one variable is for list type. Now I have to check that a particular number inside or not. Okay, so I will use the in operator. I will check 99 in list one. Simple, very simple thing. Sorry, list one. It's a no, false. If you have thousands of collection, it will give you the result in a fraction of second. That's the beauty of Python. Okay, then you can see if we do check 9 in the list one. Similarly, 9 in list 1, it will says true. So rather than iterating entire loop over the entire list, you can use in operator. Okay, opposite in we have not in. Opposite in we have not in means that anything is not present in the list, then it will give the true. Just like I'm getting this one, we know that 99 is not inside the list one, so I just put not in. All right, this will give you true because it is checking the negation with the not operator. Okay, what it does do, what is its equivalent? Okay, I take note of this one. The same thing is there, what you getting over here, what you getting over here. So not will be put with the in. So negation, what you get, negation means negative result, means what you get it will revert, it will just do the opposite, that is meaning negation. All right, now okay, similarly we do the not in, and if the element is present, if element is not present it will give you true, which not in, but element is present it will give you the false. Just like 9 in the result, you can see 9 is over here, I am putting not in, will give the false. So whenever you have a collection of any kind of collection, so you can do use this kind of operator so that we can easily access and quick access the data. All right, with this result true and false. Now then we have identity operator. What identity operator says, Is and not is. Again, is and not is. It and is not. These two kind of operator is, it is evaluated to be true if the reference present at both sides point to the same object. Here the keyword is reference. Okay, what does it mean? Reference means memory address. Someone asked me on yesterday a few classes how we print the address of particular block. I will tell you in the chapter of function, because that is a function which give you the address. Okay, so it is referencing to the same block of memory. So it is give you identical. Identical means both things are the same, and it is not pointing to same thing. So it is returning you the false. Check this one. We have x1 equal to 5. We have y1 equal to 5. So I am putting the type and the value of same. So I just say that these are two identical, just different variable name. Okay, and then we have z1 equal to hello. Okay, then what I'm going to do, run this thing. Now we check is and is not. X1 is y1, true, means data type is same, value same, so they are referencing the same value. But x1 is z1 and you false, because this had the content different and data type different. All right, but if we do this thing is not, there is a reciprocal of, so this will revert the result. So guys, this is all about your operator. The first topic is close. Okay, so if you have any query regarding this, you can ask me. Then we take 10-minute break and then we start the next topic, decision making. So regarding any query, you can ask me this one. Otherwise, I am taking 10-minute break. The class will resumes. This is 9:08, 9:15. Done. So break is final. Okay, so break is final. We are resuming a class at 9:15. Hello students, welcome back. So I hope we take tea, drink, etc. Okay, so in this session, what I'm trying to go to teach you the decision making. All right, decision making, if else statement, etc. Okay, so let's just start the session, second session. Okay, so kindly confirm me anyone that my screen and voice both are properly coming. Sachin Chauhan, please shut down your camera. Sachin Chauhan, please shut down your camera. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, so all of you requested to shut down your camera, just muted. Okay, so now what is if statement? Very good thing is there. See, whenever you want that your condition should be checked, and till now we don't check any condition. Okay, to check any condition with the help of operators, etc., different kind of operator, what we do, we use the if statement. Okay, as the name implies, decision making allow us to run a particular block of code for a particular session. Here the decision are made on the validity of the particular condition. Condition checking is the backbone of decision making. All right, so when you going to develop any logic, so it is very mandatory thing that you should check every condition, because logic will be based on the condition checking. If don't you making any condition checking, so your logic going to be wrong. Okay, so now the first is if statement. If your condition is true, so if statement return true. Okay, and what is the flow chart? Check this one. This is a flow chart. If you have a condition, okay, then what we have condition true, and then block of code will be run true. If the condition false, so loop will exit out. So until your condition keep true, if statement return you true. All right, now check this one. So how we write the expression, the if part, how we write this? We take if and then put the colon. See, one important thing in Python, this is a note for you. In Python, we don't have curly braces, just like you have C, C++, Java, C sharp, etc. Here we don't have. Instead we have colon. By default, by default we have to maintain indent, indent for block structure. Okay, so what is block structure? Let's see, and how to make an indent. Okay, check this one. I just put the markdown. Okay, so first of all, if condition is written, then any expression is written, then we have a statement inside that, and maintaining block, I have to put the colon over here. Check this one. If I am taking num equal to 8, and I am checking the number is even or odd, so what we do, I just check if num percent modulus 2 equal to 0. This is basically one logic for the checking any number even. Okay, this is one logic for checking any number even. Then I put the colon over here. Okay, once I put the colon and press enter, so what happened, it you can see it is automatically do some space. This space known as indent. Okay, means next line will be inside the if block. Just like if you have previous knowledge of C, C++, so you see we have to put the curly braces and then put all the line inside the curly braces. So here we don't have the curly braces, we have colon. So I will put my block over here and then print what I'm printing, even number. Very basic program, very basic, nothing's complication, and you run this thing, so even number. Okay, when you have a single condition, so you have to put only if statement, keep in mind. And when you have two condition, not one, two condition, so you have to put if else. Okay, so what if else statement says, the if else statement provide an else block to combine with if statement, which is executed in the false case of condition. If the condition is true, then if block is executed, otherwise else block executed. So here we have two block, condition true, then if block executed, and condition false, then else block executed. Okay, this is very useful because sometimes we don't have the one condition, the number not even, numbers can be odd. If the number is not even, so number is odd, So what we do in that case? We have to use the else statement. Okay, right. So how we do this thing? I putting my code. I take number. Okay, number equal to 8, or better I take user input. Perfect way. Okay, first thing which I forgot to ask, that who is a newcomers today, who is a newcomers today, get this logic or not, of even logic, only for newcomers, I mean rest the person are intelligent. Okay, so all of you getting this logic, how we decide the particular thing is even or not? Who is a newcomers, please press yes. Mr. Akash Kanojia. Akash dear, uh, can you explain me what happening here? Unmute yourself. Akash, unmute yourself and tell me what happening here.
Yeah, we are dividing by 2
That we
and we are checking the remainder.
very
If it
good,
is 0,
very good.
it will print the number.
Any other logic in the case of even number in your mind?
Any other logic?
Yeah.
It should be multiple of 2.
So how we check? Multiple or two, how we check? That is complicated.
Yeah, it is complicated.
Yes, Miss Varsha. Miss Varsha, can you explain me that what is another logic in your mind for checking even number? Unmute and tell me. Varsha is there or not? Mr. Before Kumar, unmute and tell me any other logic for checking even number. See, this is very basic thing. We are here to learn very complicated thing, but we have to clear our very basic thing. How to create a logic, that one.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, yes,
Hello.
please. Who is there? Can you introduce yourself?
Yeah,
What name?
yeah. My name Vibhor, sir.
Okay,
Hello.
before, can you have another logic to check the even number except this in your mind?
Um, sir, just multiple of even number like 2, 4.
So how we check? How we check? How do I put that thing inside that? मुझे कैसे
सर
पता लगेगा?
एक्चुअली वो
यस यस यस.
यस सर मुझे बस यही लॉजिक पता है सर अगर आपको
ओके.
अगर कुछ पता
हाँ,
है
मुझे वही
तो
बताना है, तभी मैंने यहाँ पे रोका सबको. तो कोई अभी
अच्छा
बहुत सारे लोग हैं यहाँ पे, मैं पूछ लूँ सबसे पहले. वेरी
ठीक
इंटेलिजेंट
है सर
पर्सन है. ओके.
ओके
कुलसुम, मिस कुलसुम, कैन यू टेल मी अनदर लॉजिक?
Hello, sir.
Yeah, yes, please. Can you explain me any other logic for this one?
Uh, can we use a bitwise operator?
Oh, that's you go in more and more complicated thing. You know what is bitwise operator?
Yeah,
That is working on bit level. Means you first convert number to binary, then
binary.
to perform the operation. Why do not operate on decimals? See, this number is decimal number.
Okay. Mm. We can divide the number and then we can multiply the
So
number
how Python know that we are dividing from two, and after dividing it, got
and
nothing?
multiply it by two.
What I'm
Because
writing, what I'm writing over here. Tell me condition. If I do
if
put blank for you, any other thing what you want to write over here? Me. Yeah. Yes, please. What do you do? Fill in the blanks.
num divided by two
Num divide by 2
and num multiplied by and we are using and operator here.
and
Num
num.
multiplied by two. If both the condition is true, then it's an even number. Something like
So what output you getting from it? If you divide from num by 2, so
we get
let's suppose we have 8. So 8 divided by 2, we get 4. Okay. Okay. And num multiply by 2. Mm, what happened? 16. So you'd want to operate between 4 and 16. What logic?
yeah 4 and 8 is 16 is true, right? Both are even numbers.
No, no. So you are generating two more even number. I'm just giving you this condition. You have to handle this condition.
Okay.
Any valid condition like that? I mean, from student life, you have to taught this condition only. Okay,
Yeah.
okay, I'm just trying to discover many intelligent person. Mr. Ganesh Salva, is Mr. Ganesh kindly unmute and solve the student's problem? Not the Mallikarjun, Mr. Mallikarjun. Yes, yes, yes. Not equal to 2. Yes, someone send me. That is for even or odd. Mr. Sovik Banerjee, I'm just asking for even. It will work for even. Let's check. Mr. Sovik, tell that if I put not equal to, see, it is even or odd number. Because if I am put the else operator, okay, else over here, because then it will show you what reality behind this. Else means if it is, if not executing, then else executing.
So,
Yeah,
so
yes, please.
if we add num plus 1 and we divide it by 2,
But
and then we
one word. Yeah, we add num plus 1 and
yeah,
then divide by 2. So what happened?
so if it is not equal to 0, then it is an even number.
Okay, let me try a very good, even simple thing. If just I put not equal to 1, simple thing. I'm not just manipulating the thing. If you divide any number by 2 and you are taking the remainder, okay, any remainder you are divide by 0, 2, either 0 or 1. Check this one. Any number. If you have a 7, that is odd, divide by 2, okay, so reminder is 1, okay, and the reminder is not 1, means reminder is 0, so that is a case of even number. Check this one. Perfect. Here I am checking equal to 0, and here I am checking not equal to 1, it means it is equal to 0. Okay, that's a playing along with the operators, nothing else. Okay, so kindly note it down, this is new thing for you. I mean, multiple logic you can create, but this is something new for you, I hope. All right. Now, if else statement. Okay, what I'm trying to teach you in if else statement, when we have a two condition, okay, then we have to use if else statement. I'm just taking the input from user. Enter any number. All right. Now, what number user send me? I'm taking n, not divide, disturbing the previous one. N modulus 2, simple previous logic, 0, then colon, print, even, even, then else. One more thing. Keep mind, when you keep maintaining a indent, when you keep maintaining the indent, you press the enter, the cursor will be in same block. And if you want to exit from block, so you have to press backspace. All right. Then else, print odd. All right. Now check this one. If I am put any number, so it will be give me the answer even odd. See, number in the sequence of even odd, even odd, even odd. All right. Now, based on this thing, I have a good program. Okay, and I will give you the object, and you have to give me the condition, test condition for the if block. Okay, so keep your eyes over here. Write a program to check the number is divided from 3 and 5 both. We have to check the number is divided from 3 and 5 both. So I will take the name, that person unmute and tell me the logic according what the logic in their mind. Okay, so this is a particular test condition. If number is divided, so I will print the divided. Number is divided from 3 and 5 both. If the number is divided, just like 15. 15 is divided from 3 and 5 both, first number, then 30, 30. Then control B, number is not divided. All right. So again, now again I am taking the name of that person. See, this is just interactive class. Okay, so you are not here to sleep, you are here to learn. All right. No, I just take the name. See, for teacher, it's a very problematic thing to push the freshers, I mean to put the newcomers. So I'm just taking the name. That person can give me the response. Okay, okay. Pratyush, yes. Pratyush. Pratyush, unmute yourself and then tell me what inside this one. You all guys are intelligent, I know, and 80% more people know the Python, but 20%, what about 20%? So I have to teach them. Yes, Mr. Pratyush, tell me, unmute yourself and tell me. You didn't get the question. The Piyush, its name is Piyush. Okay, so Piyush, I have to put the condition over here. Okay, if I am taking a number and my object is that the number should be divided from 3 and 5 both. So what I am writing to check this one, because if will we check the condition. All right, is Pratyush is there? Yes, Shubhanshu, you can speak.
Sir, I will use AND operator here, and I
Very
will
good,
put
very good.
conditions.
What I am writing
Uh,
here?
if n divide modulus by 3
Hmm.
equal to 0, and
Equal to 0.
yeah, equal to
Yeah,
0,
and
and n modulus 5 equal to 0. So here it is checking if both conditions are true, then it will print. Else it
okay.
will print it is not divided either from 3 or 5.
Perfect, perfect. So clapping for my side for Shudhanshu. Okay, thank you so much. And what it do? We take the first condition, number is divided from 3, number is divided from 5, and then we ending the thing. Because if both are divided, then we have to require the thing number is divided from both 3 and 5. So what happened? Same thing. If I am putting the 14 first, that is not divided from this one. So number is not divided from this one. If I am putting this one again 15, so number is okay. So here is one condition that we have two condition inside if. So what if I am putting the nested if? Check this one. This is very important. Okay. If I am putting the nesting if, what is nesting if? I put inside if again second if okay, check this one. So if I first check the condition, the number is divided from 3, then I put the condition number is divided from 5. So this is inside this one, the outer if. Okay. So for inner if, I have to put the paired else condition. What if? What else will we have? See, very good thing are here. Number is divided from 3, but not from 5. But not from 5. Okay. So I take discrete value. If number is divided from 3, that is 9. So it will be printed. The number is divided from 3 but not 5. If number is divided from 3 and then 5, then it will be printed. If number is not divided from 3, so it will be printed. Check this one. Let's suppose I am putting here the I number divided from 3, that is 27. Number is divided from 3 but not 5. Okay. So first condition is satisfied. First condition is true. Is this one is true. This one is false. So the execution says this line. Okay, close. Now again I'm checking I number which is initially not divided from 3, that is 4. So it will give you this message. Which one? Because this condition is going to be false, have this condition. All right. Now this one, if I'm running this case, that 15. See, so what happened? See the execution order. The first of all, this condition is going to be true. Number is divided from 3. Good. This condition is checked. Then it is printing number is divided from 3 and 5 both. Okay, so here what you have to mean, put the thing at what level you have to penetrate the logic, at what level you have to give the answer, what specificity you have to put. Here I put just a general thing, number is divided or not divided. Here I put if the number is divided from 3, so whether it is divided from 5 or it is only divided from 3, not from 5. So it is a very good way that you have checking the number at each level. All right. Now if the you have more condition, more than two condition, for one condition you have if, for two condition you have if else. If you have more than two condition, so we have elif statement. Elif is like else if in C++. Okay, see here we have multiple condition, whose condition will be satisfied, that block will be executed. Okay, check this one and keep in mind elif block have the test condition. See, one thing in mind, if you observe that in else we don't have any test condition, only if block have the test condition. In same way, only in if and elif contain the expression. So now simple example, very simple, I am not creating any complex one. Okay, so enter the number. First of all, I'm checking, see, I'm checking number equal to 10, so it will print number equal to 10. This is the first condition. Okay, this is going to be the first condition. Now second condition, a number equal to 50, so you can put over here. Third condition, number equal to 100, and the at last, which is not matching to anyone, the fourth condition. So if you have any type of condition, so first count how many condition you have. So here we have four condition, one is reserved for if, one is reserved for else, and two is reserved for elif. So anything you will do with here, let's suppose I am not matching number, I put the 78, so last will be printed. Beside this, if I am matching with this just like a 50, all right, number is equal to 50. So this is about else statement. Tomorrow I will solve, tomorrow only programming session is there. We will take at least 20 to 25 programs और 50 to 20 programs, 15 से 20 प्रोग्राम कराएंगे आपको. ठीक है, so you are requested to hear with your Jupyter notebook, and especially those who are new in this session, they are requested to see all the videos I am sharing, the link to you of my uh, IIBM playlist, so that you can get all the recording over here. Okay, you can see all the recording over here from this list. If you click this one, you will directly navigate to playlist. Whatever we do in last three classes, it is uploaded over here. So we are providing only recording, so you can see the recording and do code. Okay, that is a good thing. And instead I provided you email ID. Okay, so I am giving one more time, writing email ID. So anyone needed email ID or you have a email ID? Because any query you can mail, two person mail me, I have to reply them on email ID. Okay, Akash says, what if the 5 number is 5, it shows the wrong output. Akash, please unmute yourself and describe your problem.
Yes, sir. It was
Yeah.
about if and else statement.
mm, I mean, you need more condition. What about that?
Like if it is 5, it will show, like it will not enter the if statement, and it will
That's why,
directly go to the
that
else
that's why I'm
operator.
saying you have to see how the penetration of logic, where you penetrating, what level you test in the condition. Okay, if see, if you can put or over here, if you putting the or over here, so either you divide from 3 and 5. Yeah, let's see, let's solve the Akash problem. Very good question is here.
Yeah, because of that.
Without, What you saying, dear? I'm not getting you.
No, no, I was saying the same. If we have to put or condition.
See, if I'm putting a or, very good question is there. If even number is divided from 5, so it will not entering in this block. So what we do in that case? Very good question. You can ask this kind of question to me. I put the 5. So either number is divided from 3 or 5. So we can check over here that number. Okay, how we check this number? I just remove this one, and here I can check number is divided from 3. Now see, I'm giving the specificity. Number is divided from 3. Only if condition is there. One if condition will be executed. Okay. Now 5. Akash, then you can monitor. If number is divided any 3 or 5, it must enter in this block. Now you will specify the number is divided from 5 or number will divide from 3. If number either not divide 5, then in that case it will ask this one. So any number, just like 25, I'm running this cell. Oops, where is the problem? Okay, same message here. I revert the message. Sorry. So this will be number is divided from 5 and this will be number is divided from 3. Yes. Now 25. That's it. Okay. So penetration level is there. How much you're drilling the number, where you checking the which condition. It's up to our logic. Okay. So tomorrow, based on the if and operator, we take the small program, because we are right now just creating the basics of Python. Okay. So save the playlist. Even if you can search this thing, IIBM Institute of Business Management, take a screenshot of this one, search the channel IIBM Institute of Business Management. You can find this channel, and in that channel you have a playlist of data science. We have a playlist of data science, so you go to there and see all the video. And today's video will be available by tomorrow 10 o'clock. All right. Thank you so much, dear. If you have any question, you can ask me. Tomorrow is a Christmas holiday. No, dear. Mm, okay, tomorrow is a class. Saturday is no class. We have Monday to Friday and Sunday on 11 a.m. for only for queries. Monday to Friday, the 8:15 to 10:15, and Sunday on 11 a.m. we have the special query session. Okay. Tomorrow I will not teach you any new topic. If we have a time, then we start new topic. Otherwise, I will give you multiple program which will you do practice so that you can perfect in Python. Okay. The perfection is required in Python. All right. Any more question you can ask? Otherwise, we are going to finish the session.
Hello, sir.
Yeah. Yes, please.
I am Mallikarjun, sir. I have sent the code on chat box. Check whether it is work or not properly.
What on which condition? What you say, Mallikarjun? 10 double divide by 2. What is this?
Whether the number is divisible by or not.
No, no. This is not conditional even. So how you take the? No, no. This is not good thing. Do you have any previous knowledge of Python? Yeah. This is your first class.
Yes, sir. I have knowledge about it.
So what do you want to communicate by this thing? 10 divide by the. This is the integer division, floor division. So what you trying to do over here? Kindly explain. I'm not getting this thing. What you want to prove with this code? I'm not getting anything. Okay.
Oh, 3 divided by 5 वो example था ना sir वो
3 डिवाइड का 5 का एग्जाम्पल यहाँ तो बेटा मैंने दूसरा पूछा था, मैंने दूसरी चीज़ की है ना। मैंने ये चेक किया है जो नंबर एंटर कर रहा है यूज़र, वो पहले 3 से डिवाइड है, फिर एक ने मुझसे कहा कि अगर वो 5 से डिवाइड हो तो वो गड़बड़ हो जाएगा। तो मैंने उसकी बात भी रखी कि मैंने और ऑपरेटर लगा दिया। अब नंबर चाहे 3 से डिवाइड हो या 5 से डिवाइड हो, वो इस ब्लॉक में एंटर तो करेगा ही करेगा। उसके बाद वो ये चेक करेगा कि नंबर क्या 5 से डिवाइड है, मीन्स स्पेशलिटी दे दी। इवन अगर नंबर 5 से डिवाइड होगा तो इट विल बी प्रिंट द नंबर इज डिवाइड फ्रॉम 5 एंड द नंबर इज डिवाइड फ्रॉम 3, so it will special print the number at 3, not both. Okay. Specialty means specific thing divide from 3 or 5. Generality means divide from both. We are not clear it is divided 3 or 5. Okay. Here now I'm clear that number especially divide from 3 or 5. Okay, any more questions from your side? Ask me. Okay, so I hope, yeah.
Hello, sir.
Yes, please. Who is this?
Netra Dashmi, sir.
Yes, please.
Sir, the 15th number code number is visible by 5 or not? Uh,
What is your question?
so
Please repeat your question.
the fifth, yes, this one. The number is divisible by or not? 3, yes, yes.
तो
So
आप,
if
हाँ,
we didn't use their or, then if we give 5 input, then it should go to the else statement now.
so what input you want to enter here? First, tell me input.
5 without using or operator.
So without using or operator, so what I put over here and
Nothing. Just n percentage 3 is equal to 0.
repeat. I'm just taking backup of this one. I mean, yeah. What do you want?
If n percent 3 is equal to 0, that's it.
That's it. And I am removing remaining one. Is it?
Yes, yes.
So what your question now? I manipulate this one now. What is your question?
If we enter 5,
So
then n is
dear,
not is equal to
if you enter the five, so automatically
operator.
go. If you only enter the five, so this will go in as block. Simple.
Yes,
Okay. So,
okay.
so
Yes,
here we have to see what kind of logic we are creating. We are creating nesting if we are getting a ladder if, like that.
mhm,
Okay. So
okay.
I'm requesting you to do this thing in Jupyter. You have Jupyter notebook.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
No, someone said now that it gives error, so that's fine.
No, it is not giving you. This is giving you wrong output. That is bug.
Okay.
That is not error. Error means something you misinterpret,
Yes, yes,
and Python compiler just give you error. This is bug means even if you are printing and this is going wrong way. All right.
yes, yes, I got it.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Any more question from your side?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Someone says anyone having. Okay. So you.
So, sir,
No.
so, sir,
I. Okay. Oh, yes, please.
sir, what is the major difference between is and double equals to?
Mm, is and double equals to. Yeah, it's a
Yes.
based on the memory allocation. Okay. uh, I, I just request you to ask this question in function part, because there I just give you the function which used to get the memory. Okay, then I will
Okay, sir.
response you practically. Okay, because here if you ask me the and remaining 36, 34 student will not understand what happening here, because you know also
Okay,
this
sir.
thing referencing a memory and how to display the memory in hexadecimal codes. So there is a function particular. Okay, then there is a valid thing in function. I will do all the function, library function, non-library function, default value, everything is there. Okay, so that is a
Okay,
concern
sir.
question of that checker, but keep in mind you should ask me. Okay,
Okay, sir.
thank you
Thank you, sir.
dear.
Thank you, sir.
For this latest chapter you can ask me, so otherwise we can finish. Okay, thank you so much guys, so I am finishing the session. Meeting you tomorrow at 8:15. Kindly come here on 8:15, because tomorrow I do have good number of programs. Only program is there. If we have time, then we start the looping. Otherwise, we have program. Thank you so much.